Hi student, most welcome on my channel Light of Asia. Today we will discuss botany paper second of the BSc third year. Paper second have a 3 units. Unit 1 have economic botany, have sub units. So first unit is a knowledge of use of plants for human welfare. Such topics have two small subtopic. It means A and B. B will be discuss later. Topic A, use of plants and plant products belonging to the groups algae, fungi, bryophyte, and gymnosperm. According to classification, the algae, fungi include in Thallophyta is a division, have two subdivision, while the Bryophyta is also the division and Gymnosperm is also the division. Angiosperm discuss later. Thallophyta, Bryophyta and Gymnosperm, Pteridophyta belonging in between. Under the syllabus, only the algae, fungi, Bryophyta, Gymnosperm. Subunit B, use of plants and plant products belonging to Angiospermy. Angiospermy is a division with a special reference to following. You know about the Angiosperm division have a broad throughout the world, while B subunit have penultimate subunit. Food plants, cereals, wheat, rice and maize belonging to the cereals, etc. Next, legumes. It is a herbaceous shrubs. It means it is not completely belonging to the herbs, not belonging completely to the shrubs. Have pea, sometimes pea is known as the pigeon pea. Pigeon pea, it means some varieties of the peas. So, groundnut and gram, etc. Next, sugarcane and fruits. You have well known about the food plants, cereals, legumes plant, sugarcane, and fruits. Next, beverages. Under this, tea and coffee, etc. Beverages have some special character to stimulate the human being and something else. Next, spices. Pepper nigrum, capsicum, curcuma, ginger, crocus sativus, coriandrum sativum, syzygium aromaticum belonging to the spices. all are genera with some species. It is genera, species. So, capsicum, curcuma, sometimes pronunciation use the curcuma. So both are right. Gingiber is a genera. It is also the genera. Crocus, while you well known, this should be a small letter. So Crocus sativus and Coriandrum sativum. Genera Sativum species. Syngium is a genera. Aromaticum species. Spices are used, so making the food is spicy, so tasty and delicious. Food adjunct have two topics. First ones is beverage and second one is spices. Next topic, C. C have muscatories and fumicatones. Under both the topic have the genera is pepper betel, Areca catechu, meaning in Hindi supari, Acacia catechu, meaning in Hindi khair, and Nicotiana tabacum, meaning in Hindi the tobacco, etc. Such type of underlining is wrong according to classification rules. Genera and species underlining system should be separate. It means just we are done the separate. Next one is C. Drug yielding plants. Drugs, narcotics. Under this topic belonging cinchona, Aconitum, Atropa. A genera Jatropha is also, while did not mentioned here. So please don't confuse Atropa and Jatropha. Atropa is also include here. Artemisia, Rauwolfia, Cannabis sativa, Papaver somniferum. Cinchona is separate out. It is also the separate out. It is also separate out. It is also the separate out. It is also the separate out, while it is here not a separate out. Why? Separate out because it is belonging together. Why? Papaver somniferum, it is also the belonging together. Next, timber. Timber have teak, sal and sesame, etc. Timber is a common name of valuable wood plants. It used in the timber making. So next is F, subtopic fiber. Cotton, jute, hemp and coir. Such plants producing the fibers. The many use of the fibers, you know it very well. Next one is G of the topic B, edible oils. You well known. So what is that? What is edible oils? Arachis is a genera. Coconut, it is also genera, and brassica, it is also the genera. Raxinus, etc., it is also the genera. While all are produce oils eating through the different foods. It means called edible oil. So next H, rubber producing plant. Hevea ficus. So rubber, Hevea and ficus plants providing the rubber, etc. While tannins producing from the genera Acacia, it means a color. Gums. Few plants providing me gums like Acacia, Sterculia. All plants have different categories. Every category is plants providing edible oils, rubber, tannins, gums. K, weed and weed control. What is the weed? Weed is a unused plant arising along with crop. Such extra unused plant is called weed. What is the meaning? In Hindi is khar patwar. How to control in our crop field? Here should be an introduction and definition of weeds. Methods, weed control. What is the methods to the control of the weeds? Every method I am taught you after the end of discussion the syllabus. A basic knowledge of herbicides. Herbicides is a medicinal powder and powder, sometimes solution, etc., which is the throwing on crop field herbaceous plant and will be dead. Such are herbicides. So more detail after the end. Their transformation and persistence in soil. It means weeds sometimes persistence generation to generation. Weeds, suppose that regional name sometimes is known as gilli danda, because here the danda, here the gilli. Weed, ripe. before the wheat ripening. So wheat seed fallen down in the soil. So it will be persist. It means next crop rotation after few months it will be itself grow. It means first generation to grow next generation. Such topic saying. Some prominent weeds of crop plant and their control. Sometimes weed and crop, weeds will prominent. It means dominant. Unit first synopsis, we can see the unit first synopsis. Unit first have two subtopic A and B, while B have penultimate subtopic. It means A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. A have algae, fungi, bryophyta, and gymnosperm. Such subdivision and division, and we have angiosperm plant. And angiosperm plant useful for human being is one by one category have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Such subtopic. Unit first completed. Let's come. We will start unit second of the paper second and BSc third year. Unit second have applied plant anatomy and plant breeding, where the plant anatomy can be applying for the useful purpose. So unit second have two topics. First topic is started here, applied plant anatomy. Economic aspects of applied plant anatomy applications. How many applications of the applied plant anatomy is useful and for the economic aspects. So many aspects are here. One by one discuss the anatomy in taxonomy. It means anatomy helpful in the taxonomy. And horticulture, food adulteration, and food useful in which age determined by anatomical. So medicinal plants, when the internal structure and internal character and properties we will well known, then we have application which plant useful for medicinal, not in medicinal. Would present day in archaeology. So forensic application. Anatomy is also the useful for the forensic lab and forensic application. Second topic is plant breeding. Breeding is related with pollination Cross pollination, it means the production of child, but high quality child. And process and practices to the breeding. An elementary knowledge of plant breeding. Every BSc first year and second year, every student of BSc third year well known what is the meaning of elementary. Meaning in Hindi is prarambhik. In English, primitive. Methods of self-pollinated crop. Some crop self-pollinated. Next, cross-pollinated crops. Next, asexually propagate crops and parasexuality. Both the topic well defined after the end of syllabus. You know about this is the very easy. Some crop propagate one generation to another generation without any sexuality. So, next topic, techniques of plant breeding, emasculation. Emasculation is a technique of the plant breeding. Pollination. Every 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th student well known about the pollination. A very short note I am given about the pollination. When a pollen grain from the Antheridium reach up to the Archegonium is known as pollination. So, more detail after the end. So, unit second is also the end. Unit third, marine water and limnology, sometimes pronunciation marine water, marine biology and limnology. The unit third is the last topic of the paper second. First topic is an elementary knowledge of marine biology and limnology. Limnology means study of inland fresh water. It means running water like river and stagnant water like pond, etc. So, next one is a general study of morphological and reproductive features of micro and macrophytes growing in sea water with a special reference to their adaptations. When you see the suffix phytes, it will be related to the plants. Microphytes and macrophyte. A preliminary knowledge of abiotic factors. Abiotic factors have physical and chemical properties of the water. Only syllabus included only physical and chemical property of water. Next one, biotic. It is a non-living component. It means it is the non-living factors, while it is the living factors. Planktons. A small phytons is known as the planktons, floating on the surface of water. Periphytons. Maximum such type of phytons occupy in the surrounding of the ponds or bank of the river, etc. positions. Macrophytes you can see easily naked eye. Benthos and decomposer. Decomposer is a decomposing body. Such microbes eating the bodies as decompose. Abiotic, biotic factors. Such factors influencing growth of freshwater and marine flora. Such planktons, periphytons, macrophyte, benthos, decomposer become disturbed to freshening the water. So fresh water level decrease. Paper second discussion is over.